Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use any domain that you own to show your Authory portfolio. By default, when you set up your Authory account, what you'll get is a public portfolio, which is hosted at authory.com/whatever you select as your name here. But let's say I own the domain without the noise.com and I wanted to show my Authory portfolio. So how do I set that up in my Authory account? You go to Account Settings, then select Custom Domain in the left sidebar here. And you essentially have three options. Claim a free domain. With Hover, our partner, you'll get a free .com, .net or .org domain for a year. You can also transfer an existing domain to Hover. If you select the first or the third option, you don't need to do any DNS settings yourself. That's all done via our partner. If you have a domain already and want to keep it at the registrar where you already host it, you select the second option, use my existing domain, and then you enter the domain name. So in this case, withoutthenoise.com, you click Connect Domain, and now you find a number of instructions here for what you need to do next. First of all, you got to log in at your domain registrar. In this case, that is Cloudflare. Then you need to select or go to the DNS settings. So that's what I'm doing here. And then you need to check if there are any A records in place already. Are there any A records in place already? No DNS records whatsoever. Great. If there are any, delete them. Otherwise, the setup might not work. And what you want to do next is add two CNAME records. So the first CNAME record is with the host @ and the value domains.authory.com. So I'm going to copy that here. Add record, type is CNAME, host is @ and target is domains.authory.com. In the case of Cloudflare, make sure that you disable the proxying via Cloudflare. Otherwise, it will not work. So I'm going to disable that. And that's the first one that I'm going to save here. Here we go. And then I'm going to add another one. As per the settings here, the other CNAME record that I should add is for www, the host, and the value is the same, domains.authory.com. So I'm going to do that. CNAME, www, target, domains.authory.com. Again, switching the proxy off and saving this. Okay. And now it will take our system, well, it will take Cloudflare a little bit to make these changes public. Once that's done, our system will automatically pick that up and will forward the domain without the noise, and the domain without the noise.com will automatically forward to your Authory portfolio. You can leave this page, you can come back anytime. That's no problem at all. If you still see this page after 48 hours, get in touch and we'll help you figure out what's missing. And that's basically how it works. Let me know if you have any questions at eric@authory.com. Thanks.